Welcome back, everybody, to the deep dive. This time, we're going to be talking about decentralized observational clinical trials.
DCTs.
DCTs, you got it. And, you probably already know that DCTs are changing healthcare, but
Mhm.
did you know
Mm.
that some of these trials
Right.
are using AI to, predict
Mhm.
patient adherence to, medication
It's
schedules
just
with 85% accuracy,
Mhm.
just using data from wearables?
Yeah, that's pretty amazing.
That's the kind of precision that can drastically improve outcomes.
Absolutely. It allows for that early intervention, which can make all the difference.
So let's break this down a little bit. What does
Okay.
it take to actually succeed in this field?
Yeah.
Because it seems like there's a lot more to it than just knowing how to use an app on your phone.
Right.
Our sources suggest that data analysis skills are really crucial.
Oh, absolutely. Data analysis is essential. Think of a data analyst in this field like a digital detective.
Ooh, I like that.
They're using software like R and Python to examine huge data sets from wearables, apps, even electronic health records.
It's like sifting for gold.
It really is. And then they use visualization tools like heat maps to identify trends that might not be visible at first glance.
I see. So it's like instead of just seeing a jumble of numbers, you can actually see how physical activity levels, for example, correlate with symptom severity.
Exactly. And those insights are really valuable for understanding disease progression and developing effective interventions.
So it's not just about the technical skills.
Right.
You need to understand how that data is collected in the first place, right?
Exactly.
You're talking about research methodology.
Exactly. Research methodology is key. And our sources highlight the importance of understanding all the nuances of different clinical trial designs, especially for DCTs.
Because a one-size-fits-all approach just doesn't work here.
It really doesn't. You
Right.
have fully decentralized trials where everything happens remotely, and you've got hybrid models that combine in-person and virtual components.
So it's like a toolbox. You need the right tool for the job.
Precisely. Each design has its pros and cons depending on the research question.
But choosing the right design, I imagine that's not always straightforward.
It can be tricky. You have to consider so many factors,
Like,
like the target population, the type of data you need to collect, the available resources, and of course the ethical implications.
right, the ethical considerations,
Big one.
especially when we're talking about participant privacy and data security.
Absolutely. That's a critical point. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that participant data is kept safe and confidential.